Welcome back to the tropical island of Koh Chang, Thailand. I had some time on my hand, so I traveled out to Koh Chang again. To show you some more of the normally unseen but amazingly beautiful parts of the island. I had never seen low tide like this on the island. I had stopped at this little beach before because of some trees standing lonely in the water. This time they are standing on land. Not for long, though. Welcome to Fly with Odin. You also usually don't see the jungle of Koh Chang like this. Especially here, I have to be very careful not to lose signal, because this could mean to lose the drone as well. It would be very challenging to retrieve the drone from a 30-meter high tree. But the view is well worth the risks, at least for me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. To subscribe and turning all notifications is the best way to keep in touch. And it's free.
Been trying
You can see when flying a drone, you have to have a close eye on the signal strength. Otherwise, you can very quickly lose control. I would follow up this riverbed if I would be in a better position to keep control. Today, I will not risk it. I will do a second flight to a sunken ship as a range test.
I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change.
Here the mango trees are seeding and getting more and more foothold. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.